Hi, welcome to Life in 360. After a long search for finding the cool mist humidifier for my kids, I found this one. I'm using this product for more than 3 months, so I'm going to share my experience about this one. So starting with unboxing. So the product is Allin Ultrasonic Humidifier with wireless remote. I have added the details about the product in the description, please check it. I have gone a long search and I am really confused to find the best one for my kids and gone through a lot of lists in online, Amazon, Flipkart and so many other sites and found this one. And I have a lot of information about this one because this one has some quite beautiful advantages over other humidifiers, and I will show you in this video. So here is the product. So coming to its specifications, it is a 700 ml capacity one with wireless remote. It may look like a woody one, but it is made with ABS grade plastic, which is harmless. Inside the box you have the measuring cup, power cord, user manual and the remote. Here you can see the measurement. I recommend not to exceed the amount of water above the measurements because it may affect the mist and also it may damage the product. So in the base you have to attach the power cord. It comes with a 6-button remote. You can control mist intensity, length, intermittent, timing, light adjustment. So if you start using it, you may wonder how to change the battery. Here I am going to show you how to change the battery. That's it. It's so easy to insert the battery. So coming to the product, you can use it as an aroma diffuser. So moreover, it looks so catchy and beautiful. With your favorite essential oil, you can use it as an aroma diffuser because it can last up to 10 hours. The most important thing about this product is it automatically shuts off when the water level is 0. Also, it maintains an optimum level of humidity. You can use this one as an air purifier. I forgot to share the main important role of this product. This one is actually a night lamp. You can use it as a night lamp with 6 lights. So here I am going to show you how vibrant the colors are. You can adjust the light using the remote too. So if you're going to keep this in your kids' room, and I'm going to say you that because kids love this one, you have to place this where the kids can't be reached. Always remember to clean it regularly because it may lead to infection. Weekly cleaning is highly recommended because if you are using aroma oil, you have to clean it thoroughly because the oils may be little bit sticky. It operates less than 25 decibel, which is so silent, so you no need to worry keeping this in your kids' room. So if you are looking for a humidifier for your kids, and this one is a better choice. I love to add camphor aroma oil and started using it regularly. It is always advised to use it with precautions and keep this away from children. Placing the aroma diffuser or a humidifier in the perfect place will give better result. Choose the mist intensity depending upon your needs. This one is a smart way to live and humidify your room. This one is actually useful for my kids. Share your feedback in the comment section. Hope this video is useful and thanks for watching. Do subscribe my channel for more review videos. Thank you.